Yeah, squirrel sitting out there in the middle of the road. He's just sitting there. How cute. Look, Cutie's back.
Take a picture of it?
No video.
Huh?
No video. Bye-bye, Cutie.
Too late.
No, I got it. He's in the video.
You got it?
Yeah, in the video.
Send it to me.
Okay.
Or I want to see it. At least I want to see it.
I know.
Got a picture of him standing at something?
No, I got a video. I told you that.
Come on. Point right at your step up. Push it 4 times.
Where'd he go?